When we had all this function, we felt happy every day.
Aga nagaza kwombekwa ko mugumwe gukonja kutongora ebyobwegese mu district ya Buhweju. Sente ziri kurenga 1 billion mukaga nizo zitebekanizibwa gukora umurumogu okuruza gukorwa ab'ekitongore kya Cream Limited kandi umurumogu niko gukorerwa mu myaka ebiri yonka.
It is a government project, yes. Chairman is there, sijui kao or who. But I want to tell you, I can come on commission, spend other 3 months or 4 before I come this side. Kwa kuza kushika hano shanga mwezi zimbecho babiri baza kuombeka hati chichiza kumbagara. The moment wala kwa ika kuja mchenye, it is now killing a project.
Ora twins zabishi nabojo, kineza bashomesa na twins, tino homa purpose hall. So noreba this is a full project. Full project. So abana mwino mugisha kuri government ya Uganda yabohereza project eji ekwatiye na leadership ya Buhweju mbatero mungaro
company that we shall deliver as per the requirement. Thank you.
Which is missing payroll, government payroll. Really, it is our humble request. If we can be considered by next term, so you can also be more smarter than you have seen.
Bakuru Amashomero ahantu ho banja kusima government.
Long one. And for you people who are familiar with government projects, the issue of political lobbying is very key.
We talk abana bitu bari hakore bigeza basenya fo Nyakitoko secondary school. Ahabwe nshongejo nanyanda nangwa tubasime habanyakitoko abo kutumana batwikiriza kore tubahe mu bugabo. Nka chairman ejene nshonga mpango aha bazire bitu abazire bitu mbere bako bamanyira aha tuzaba kushanga kuriya abantu bitu bakugenda. So as the next term begins embundu zona ntenda kuzorekereza hakufuna senta namba.
Amakoraga gasha kwa Juliet Charles Sima.